Good morning, dear learners. Here Sunil from the Marvelous Classes. In Word Power series, episode number 4, I welcome you all. So today's first word is innocuous. It is an adjective and meaning not intended or likely to offend or upset anyone. Here it is a use. It seemed a perfectly innocuous remark. Another meaning of innocuous, not harmful or dangerous. A hanikar, use an innocuous substance. Second word, conspicuous. This is also an adjective meaning easy to see or notice, likely to attract attention. Suspast, prakat, saaf, pratyaksh. Use Mary's red hair always made her conspicuous at school. Another use we can see, I felt very conspicuous in my new car. Another use, the advertisements were all posted in a conspicuous place so that anyone can notice it easily. Incipient, meaning just beginning. Arambhik, शुरुआती. Use signs of incipient unrest. Another use, chess still has an incipient and largely untapped potential across the globe. Procrastinate, it is a verb meaning to delay doing something that you should do, usually because you do not want to do it. अनिच्छा के कारण किसी कार्य को स्थगित करना, टालना. Here we can see how procrastinate word will be used in a sentence. People were dying of starvation while governments procrastinated. Another use, stop procrastinating. Just go and finish your assignment. Yearn, this is a verb meaning to want something very much, especially when it is very difficult to get. किसी दुर्लभ वस्तु के लिए ललकना, लालायित होना, लालसा होना. Use yearn for something, somebody. The people yearned for peace. Another use, there was a yearning look into his eyes. And third use, yearn to do something. She yearned to escape from her office job. Thank you, dear learners. And learners, I want to involve you. If you know how to use these words, so in comment box you can write in a single sentence or some sentences. Thank you.